How you doing, everyone? This is Cole, and I'm here to show you how to print from your laptop. First thing you want to do is to open a guest window in Chrome. Now this is good in case you're printing from somebody else's laptop or one of the computers we have up in the hub. Next, you want to go to the Student Resources page, which is www.cypanthers.org. Make sure to put the www or it will not direct you to the current site. Next, you want to go to the Central York Google Drive, and it'll have you log in with your school username and password. Next, find the paper that you want to print. Go to the upper left-hand corner to print, and select the correct printer that you're printing to, which in this case is the hub copier for us. And that's pretty much it. Press print, your paper spits out, and there you go. Your glorious document is now ready for you.